What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is part 2 or series 2 in the line of Porsche series videos that I'm going to do. The first video, if you saw that, if you didn't, go and check it out. We took a look at the white GT3 RS Porsche and I thought, why not make number 2? Just have another little closer look at the purple GT3 RS. There is a treasure hunt, super treasure hunt version of this, which I'm desperately wanting to get. And here's just the mainline version. Still a really cool car. Love the paint job on it. See there's the GT3 RS on the back. Yeah, really cool casting. So yeah, that's my purple GT3 RS 911 Porsche. Now if you like the purple one, give the video a thumbs up, let me know in the comments, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next Porsche series video.